This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn Miller. Enjoy downtown living in the quiet Freemason neighborhood. This 2-bedroom/2-bath condo has an open floor plan with luxurious LVT flooring offering maximum flexibility along with a cozy fireplace and a private covered balcony. The recently renovated kitchen is open to the living area with custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and upscale appliances. Generously sized bedrooms on either side of the main living area gives ample separation of personal space. Both bedrooms have updated ensuite bathrooms and large closets. There is secure entry to the building, an elevator and an enclosed parking garage with additional outside parking. For more information, review the details below.